by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I'm Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to discuss on the topic of articles for class 3 students. Let's start our discussion. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. English has two types of articles. These are definite article and indefinite article. First question, what is definite article? When we mention someone or something as specifically, we have to call it definite article. The is used as definite article. And now indefinite article. When we mention someone or something unspecifically, we have to call it indefinite article. A and an are called indefinite article. Dear students, as you are the students of class 3, I am going to discuss from your new engine grammar book, that means the basic rules of articles. Let's start with a and an. First one, we use a or an only before singular nouns. Dear students, hope you have understood in our earlier class about singular and plural nouns. I hope you have no confusion in that topic. So, here you find boy and orange. These are singular nouns, so you have to use a and an before these words. Next one, we use a before singular nouns which begin with consonant sounds such as B, C, L, N, T and so on. For example, dog, tree. Look dear students, dog and tree. These words start with consonant letter. D and T. These are consonant letters, so you have to use a before these words. Number 3, we use an with singular nouns which begin with vowel sounds such as A, E, I, O, U. Students, do you know the vowels? There are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Say with me one more time. A, E, I, O, U. So here are the examples. Eraser A. This word starts with vowel. That means both the words start with A. So you have to use N before these words. Last one, when adjectives are used before singular nouns, we use a before adjectives. Okay, I hope you know about adjectives. Adjectives are those words which describe noun words. Look in the example. Boy. Boy is singular and it is noun. So before noun we use adjective. Tall is adjective. If you ask how is the boy, you will get the answer. The boy is tall. So here the word tall is modifying boy, noun word. So you have to use a before article. So our rules is when adjectives are used before singular nouns, we use a before adjectives that begin with consonant sounds and before adjectives that begin with vowel sounds. Now in this example, you find obedient before the word boy. The word boy is noun word, and if you ask how is the boy is obedient. You will get the answer. So this is adjective, and before adjective you have to use an article. So you can use a no because obedience starts with O and this is a vowel. So you have to use and before this word. Now students, we will know about the rules of did. First one, we use a or am when we speak of someone or something for the first time. But when we use the when we mention that person or thing a second time. Look, we can use a or am when we mention someone or something for first time. But when we use it for second time, you can't use a or an because the thing or person is specified. So you have to use the. With this example, your concept will be clear. Once upon a time, there were 6 mice in a house. There was plenty of food in the house. Look, dear students, look in the word house. And here, house. You find 2 words. Here, the word house is unspecified. This is first time used word. So you have to use a or an. You must have to use a because house is a consonant word because it starts with consonant letter. Then in second sentence you find the word house. It is now mentioned in the first line. So you know which house is this house. So it's mentioned. That is why you have to use the before house. Next one, we use the when there is only one such thing. When there is only one such thing, you have to use the. For example, look at the sky. Sky is only one. Like this, the stars are shining. Next one, we use the when it is clear to the reader or listener which person or thing we are referring to. With this example, you can understand what I am saying. Look, the singer is on the stage. If you ask, where is the singer? You find the answer that the singer is on the stage. That means this is specified. This is mentioned. So, like this example, the man is in the office. Where is the man? In the office. And who is in the office? The man is in the office. So, in both sides, you have to use the. Last one, we use the before some proper nouns as the name of oceans, rivers, and mountain ranges. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas. Look, here Indian Ocean starts with capital letter. Look, Indian Ocean and Himalayas start with capital letter. We know that proper noun starts with capital letter. And when it is the name of oceans, rivers, mountain, you must have to use the. Dear students, now we'll do some exercise for your better understanding. Let's start. Complete the passage with a, an, or they. One day, Charles was going to dash market with his mother. Look, market. Where? Market. The word market starts with M. M is vowel or consonant. Yes, it's consonant. So you have to use a. What? A. You have to use a. So Charles was going to a market with his mother. When he saw dash old man sitting under dash tree. Okay. Second gap. When he saw dash old man. The word old. Old man. Old starts with O. O is a vowel. And it is used for the first time. We didn't mention about old man before. So, according to the rules, you have to use an. Then the sentence will be when he saw an old man sitting under dash tree. This also will be a because tree starts with consonant letter. Then dash old man seemed to be very tired. Dear students, look, here we find the word again. Old, first one and second one. So we say that when we use second time, we have to use, look here, thing or a second time. When we use thing a second time or person a second time, we have to use the. Here we can't use an because this is specified thing, person, right? We have to use the as it is specified person. Then the sentence will be three. Okay? The old man seemed to be very tired. Next one. Pick out the words from the box and write them in the correct columns. Dear students, here a box is given. Inside the box, you find some words and you have to separate these words and have to write this under the columns A and N. Chain, elephant, well, ostrich, whale, igloo, ant, girl, crocodile, uncle. These are the words. So, according to the rules, you can find in where the words will be written. So, look, I have written the letters under A and here under N. These are the letters. If you notice, you'll find that all letters are in consonant and here all are in vowel. So our rule is when we find any word in start with consonant letter, you have to use A. And when you find the words with noun with vowels, you have to use N. And these are singular also. Dear students, hope you have understood and enjoyed today's topic. Keep practicing and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.